Until I met you, it was.
Hey guys, it's Aubrey here, and today we're going to be doing the glowing volcano. So, it's kind of similar to my other video, which was a squishy one, but this one is the glowing volcano. So let's open it. Whoa! Let's open it. Okay. So I guess this is the cardboard and all the instructions. And I guess like the cardboard. So, and then when I was saying it was similar because it was like the paints, and it's just like the paint. Okay. Hey, this looks like a little hat. Howdy do. Okay, so the first step is building the volcano. Step 2, wrap your volcano, but first cut your plaster. You need to get your plaster, then you have to have 2 fingers. You dip it in the water, then you get your other hand, you dip in the water, don't let go, bring it up, get another finger, then you open it, and then you just wrap it around your volcano. So you just open it and then you wrap it around, and then you're done. Make sure you get some napkins. This is gonna get really messy. Now that the plaster's done drying, it's time to paint. Now that the paint is done drying, now it's time for the volcano to erupt. You need baking powder and vinegar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I think this volcano is very cool, and I also think that this video is lit. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. Bye! Subscribe! Bye!